Well, good morning, everyone. This is uxwbill. We're picking up a couple weeks later from where we left off. The odometer sits within 12 miles of rolling over to the 200,000 mile figure. I actually did this in less time than it took me to put 101,000 miles on the S10 that I had previously. I want you to note with great interest, because this part is being shot on an actual camcorder, the marked difference in image stabilization quality between it and the iPhone SE that I used previously. Now, in the interest of fairness, I will openly admit that I don't know if the original iPhone SE actually has any image stabilization capability. It may well not. But I did think it had something of at least a software-assisted nature. Let's make this thing happen. Here we go. The last mile. It really made it. Thank you as always for watching, and certainly do feel free to leave a constructive comment if you happen to have one.